Welcome to our channel. If your smart TV won't connect to Wi-Fi or keeps dropping the signal, don't worry. In just 30 seconds, you can solve this problem with these simple steps. Step 1. Restart your TV. Grab your TV remote and turn off your smart TV. Unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for 10 seconds to let it fully power down. Plug it back in and turn your TV on. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router or modem from the power source. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it about 1 minute to fully reboot. Step 3. Reconnect Wi-Fi on your TV. Go to Settings on your smart TV. Navigate to Network Settings or Wi-Fi Settings. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password again. If your TV supports it, enable Auto Connect. Step 4. Check time and date settings. Go to General Settings, Time and Date. Set it to Auto or manually adjust it to the correct time. Wrong time settings can block Wi-Fi on some smart TVs. Step 5. Use a 2.4 GHz network if available. If you have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, try switching to the 2.4 GHz one. Smart TVs often have better range and stability on 2.4 GHz. Bonus tip: forget and reconnect. If the issue persists, go to your TV's Wi-Fi settings. Select your network and choose Forget. Then reconnect by entering the password again. If all else fails, check for a firmware update or factory reset option in your TV settings. Thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more fast and easy tech fixes.